Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, introduces the new FlowFX dual-out same-side catback exhaust system for the 2009 to 2018 Toyota Tundra trucks with a 4.6-liter and the 5.7-liter V8 engine. This FlowFX series exhaust system features bright 409 stainless steel 16-gauge tubing, Flowmaster's new FlowFX straight-through 3-inch internal core mufflers, dual 2.5-inch tailpipes, 4-inch black ceramic-coated stainless steel tips, and utilize the mandrel bent tubing for maximum performance. These new FlowFX catback exhaust systems will give you all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, but without the chamber muffler sound. It will typically produce a mild to moderate interior and exterior sound level with a deep performance tone without breaking the bank. Like all Flowmaster systems, the benefits include improved throttle response, and they are dyno tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking for an increase in power and a modern exhaust note, then this system's for you. The exhaust system is built right here in the USA and is backed up by our lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind.